Hey everyone, this is Kriti Ahuja and welcome back to Pilani Gold. We're freezing here. But anyway, this is a BAT exam review. So we're just going to tell you how our BAT exam went on since it's coming up. Ours was on 30th March and it's 29th March for you guys, I think. To get into MBA Business Analytics, you have to give a BAT exam for sure, which is a Business Analytics Aptitude Test. It has two sections, Management Aptitude section and the Analytics Aptitude section. And I have with me Ketki, who's a very good friend of mine. The centers of these exams are limited actually. So I gave mine in Delhi. She gave in Pinali. So I wanted to share someone with you who had an experience to come here at BITS Pilani before getting into it. So that was a lovely experience she is going to share. Other centers are Lucknow, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Nagpur, Hyderabad, Pune, Patna, Goa, Kolkata. Um, then there is Bangalore, Thiruvananthapuram, and Coimbatore. These centers can change over time, but you'll be notified about it. So you can keep on checking the site for it. Okay. Starting with management aptitude section, it was pretty similar to CAT. In fact, a notch easier to CAT for me. And I had fun giving it. It was not very complicated. If you prepared for CAT well, you'll be able to give it well. What was your take?
To me, it was very much easier than CAT, and I felt that since I had prepared for CAT enough, so I was able to very easily give this exam as well. It was challenging. There were a lot of questions in various domains, but it felt pretty easier than CAT. I felt prepared, basically.
Yeah. That's true. If you can just give the sample paper, also it's pretty easy, pretty of that form. Then there was analytics aptitude section, which was majorly computers and mathematics, of a little level higher. How was that for you?
I remember I had to I had practiced the sample paper, and according to that, the same a similar kind of paper was there. So I remember there were questions from C, C++, Python, a little bit SQL also I feel, and the questions ranged from correcting the code or finding out what the error is at this point or giving the output as well. So it since I come from a technical background, it seemed very doable to me, and
Was it? But coming from a biotechnology background, it was not exactly doable. But if you practice well, because I remember practiced well for like 1 month beforehand also. So it then seemed doable. It was not very high level questions, but it was very low level question. It was very easy level questions, but they were on based on Python, Java, C++, as she mentioned, and also a little bit of SQL. At the same time, I think from the sample question, I think the sample question paper is of 2021, and now in 2025 they've increased a level higher. So I felt like analytics aptitude session had a level a little bit higher than the sample question paper, and it might be higher for 2026 too. So prepare accordingly. But it was pretty doable overall. There's no cutoff as such of it, which is released every year. It totally depends from your overall performance in other backgrounds also. They also consider your CAT exam, ZAT exam, and all those things. You can watch the admission process video for that what all is considered. So yes, I think that was it. But how was your experience? For me, coming into Delhi, it was pretty similar as to any other exam. It was smooth. Yes, my parents were waiting outside in a park. They spent time there, and I came to them back to them after my exam, and it was pretty smooth. That's it, I think. But for you coming to Pilani, how was that?
Okay, so I was in Jaipur at that time. I came from Jaipur to Pilani early, and I had a lot of time to pass before my examination. So I went to library, I brushed up some concepts, and after the exam was done, the first thing that I did, that is when I discovered food ministry. I went there, I had some food, and I spent good 1.5 to 2 hours just roaming the campus. At that point, the campus seemed so big, and my thought process was that if I actually get into the campus, I'll have to walk so much every day. Now the campus seems so reachable, but yeah, I spent good amount of time just looking at the radies, and there were so many hostels, and the NAB, the clock tower. There was also a fest going on, Apogee, at that time. So there were various stalls, food stalls, and I was amazed that there are like Subway, Domino's, and whatnot at that point. The campus was really, really lively. One thing that I remember doing was I actually went to Saraswati Mandir, and because I gave the exam, it went well for me, and I really loved the campus. What I wanted to do was just get into I wanted to get admitted here. So I prayed really hard, and I was my thinking was that I won't post any of the pictures now that I have visited this beautiful campus, but if I get in, I will post it as a student only. And so yeah, that's what I did after coming back to the campus as a student. I went back. I just thanked for getting myself into the campus, and that was pretty much it.
And
It
then
was
posted a lot of pictures.
yeah, posted a lot of pictures. I posted on LinkedIn. I posted on Instagram because I'm really proud to be a Bitsian here. So that was my experience, and later I just went away and hoping that I get inside.
I think that was a lovely experience. So yes, that's it for us from the BATS exam review point of view. And until next time, bye bye. Keep smiling, keep shining.